In this video, we're going to look at another issue when something is changed in regards to a Git repository. In my last video, we looked at how to update the Git remote references for Heroku. This time, we're going to do the same thing, but for GitHub. In this case, the issue is that my username has been changed on the GitHub account from dpoit to dannypoit. With that in mind, let's assume nothing else has been changed yet, and I'm going to make a change to my application. And for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add a comment to my master SCSS file. Doesn't matter what the change is. So I'm going to save it. And now let's switch to our command line. Okay, now I'm going to add the file to the staging area. I'm going to commit the file. And then I'm going to push this to GitHub. Okay, so you can see the warning given here. This repository moved, please use the new location. So unlike Heroku, any command line pushes to the remote tracking URLs with the old username, as well as any web links that contain the old username, will still continue to work indefinitely, as GitHub will automatically redirect these references to your new username and will simply give you this warning. However, it is best practice to update your remote tracking URLs and web links with the new username. Now, the reason for this is that your old GitHub username will now be available for anyone to claim. And if someone claims it and creates a new repository with the same name, then the redirect for that repository will no longer work. So we're going to update the remote reference for our application so that we are pushing our changes directly to it and not via the redirect, which might break one day. So first, let's view our remote references. We do this with git remote-v. Okay, so there they are. We see the references for Heroku and for origin, which is GitHub in this case. Now, as a side note, I am using the SSH URL. However, this same process applies if you are using the HTTPS URL. So we can see where the username is set to the old one, dpoit. And to update this, I'm going to type git remote set-URL origin and then the SSH URL, which is git at github.com : the new username, which is dannypoit, / and then the name of the repository, .git. Okay, so run that. Now, once you have run this, you can run git remote-v again to see the change. And you see that the username is updated there now. But one important note is that Git does not check to make sure this reference is correct through these steps. So in other words, I could have made a typo in the above SSH URL and it would have accepted it anyways without giving an error. However, when you push your next change, you will be able to see that it is updated to the right place. So to demonstrate this, I'm just going to make another quick change to my master SCSS file. And so I'm just going to take that comment out, save it, and then I'm going to stage it. commit, and push to origin. Okay, as you can see, there's no warning this time, and you can see that it indicates that it pushed to the correct place with the updated username. So there was no need to redirect this time, so we are all set and we can continue working like this. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this.